Hello students, welcome to my channel Online Biology Tutorials. I'm Dr. Nidhi Chadha with 12 years of experience and I have taught more than 5,000 students in my career as of now. This time I'm back with grade 9 video series on all the chapters of biology. In case of any query, you can reach out in the comment section or through email or WhatsApp. So without further ado, let's get started. So we are starting with chapter 5 of your NCERT. The name of the chapter is the fundamental unit of life. Most probably each one of you will be having your test in the month of July. So stay connected till the end, and in between I will be asking questions also that you can answer in the comment section of this video. So in this video, the first one will be an introductory one where we will be studying various grades of organization. Okay, so whenever we are studying grades of organization, remember cell is the basic unit of life, right? And all the cells that are similar in structure and function. This is very important key term that you should know at this stage, that all the cells that are similar in structure and function. Now, what do we mean by structure? What do we mean by function? Let's say the shape of RBC, right? RBCs, they are of this shape, and this shape is known as biconcave. Okay, so all the RBCs, they will be biconcave. That means all the RBCs are similar in structure and all will be performing the function of transporting oxygen throughout the body. That means the cells that are similar in structure and function, right, they would be getting assembled together to form the tissue, right? So if we want to write what is a cell, so cell is the structural and functional unit of life, right? So whatever structural appearance is there in the human being or plant or any animal means the structure, the look that has been given to an organism is because of the various cells in it. So cell is the structural and functional unit of life, right? So it is the smallest unit of our body. Like we say, whenever we construct any house, the smallest unit is the brick. And with the combination of bricks, we make the wall. Similarly, by the combination of cell, what do we make? We make the tissue. Okay, so tissue is formed by the aggregation of similar types of cells. And what do we get by the collection of tissue? So by the collection of tissue, we get organ. So organ is formed by the collection of tissue. Let's say if we are studying nervous system, right? So nervous system will have cells and these cells will be known as neurons. Okay, so all the neurons, they will be getting collected together to form a tissue that will be known as nervous tissue. Okay, so it will be known as nervous tissue. Now nervous tissue will be getting collected together to form the organ, and because we are studying about nervous system, so the organ in this case will be brain, spinal cord, right? Now organ means here in this case brain and spinal cord will be getting collected together to form the organ system, and the name of the organ system in this case it would be nervous system. I hope it is making sense to you. The smallest unit of life is a cell, which is giving structure and which is performing a different set of function. Each cell which is different in structure, it has to perform different function. For example, the neuron, they are performing a different function. RBC, which is a part of connective tissue, it is performing a different function. Muscle cell in body, they are performing a different function. So the cells which are just similar in structure and function, only they group together to form a tissue. Tissue collect together means if nervous tissue is scattered, it would be collecting together to form an organ. Organ in the case of nervous system would be brain and spinal cord. Organs will be collected together to form an organ system, and collection of organ system makes an organism, right? Collection of organ systems makes an organism. So what have we done till now? That cell is the basic unit of life which aggregate together to form the tissue. Tissue aggregate together to form the organ. Organ aggregate together to form the organ system, and collection of organ system makes an organism. We can give the example of human being as an organism because we are made up of different types of cells. We have different types of tissues, organs and various organ systems. Various organ systems, they are getting collected together to form a body, a complete body that we have. Now, for you, there is one question that everybody has to answer in the comment section. Give any two examples. Give any two examples of organ system in human body along with their function, right? This is your question from this video, right? So you have to tell any two examples of the organ system in your body, and along with that you need to tell their functions. In case of any problem, you can reach out to me. I hope this video was helpful. Complete video series of chapter 5 would be coming. Do share it with your friends so that each one of you can take the benefit, and do consider subscribing because it would be very helpful to you. I'll catch you in next video where we would be talking about the discoveries of the cell components and discovery of the cell. Thank you.